guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Blanca. I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. So for today's video, I decided to recreate a celebrity makeup look. When I saw Ariana Grande's makeup look, this is the picture right here that I saw, I was like, oh my god, I have to recreate that. It's so beautiful. I just love the vibes of it, the hair, the headband, everything about it. I knew I wanted to recreate it, and here we are. In this video, I'm going to be featuring the Irresistible Me hair extensions. It was the reason I was able to get so much volume and length. Really quick, I just wanted to give them a big thank you for sending the extensions to me. I'll show you guys a little bit more about the extensions and stuff throughout the video. But if you are interested in the makeup look, I did do a voiceover, and then for the hair part, I decided to just do it like a tutorial style. I figured I can talk you guys through it as I'm doing it because it's not too difficult. So if you're interested in seeing this celebrity makeup recreation, then go ahead and please keep watching.
So jumping right in, I did actually shave the ends of my eyebrows, and this was on purpose. It wasn't an accident. I had been wanting to do this for a long time, and when I decided to do this look, I just figured it would be the perfect time since her eyebrows are very, very straight. She doesn't really have a curve to her eyebrow at all, and I really struggled with that. I tried to get it as straight looking as possible, and I still kind of I don't know, I just felt like it didn't really look like her brows, but it looked different than my normal brows, so that already like helped it look more similar to her, if that makes sense. I do really like how the eyebrows ended up looking. So for my foundation, I went in with the foundation that was slightly darker than me because she always has a very bronzy tan look, and I feel like that's just part of her signature look, so I had to do it. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all my high points, so under my contour, under my eyes, tip of my nose, chin, and my forehead. And then I'm also going to go ahead and add some Tarte Cosmetics cream contour to go ahead and contour my contour areas. Like I said, she always has a very bronzy look, so I felt like it just would have went really well to add a cream base on top of the on the bottom of the contour, I'm sorry, just to really get high pigment and, you know, a very natural looking contour, because her contour is very strong, but it's also very well blended, and she just has a very sun-kissed look. So I'm gonna blend all of that out using my damp beauty blender. Well, this is the sponge from Wet&wild, but it works just as great as a beauty blender for so much less money. So if you're in the market or you're looking for one, this one is great. So now that everything is blended out, I did set my face using the Fit Me loose powder in the color Light Bear, I believe. And I went ahead and set that under my eyes, but I also took a big fluffy brush and set my full face, just because I wanted to have a very nice matte base that I can just blend my contour and all of that on top of. So I am setting that now. So I had to really like study her picture to see how her contour was done, and I came to realize that they place a lot of her contour higher up on her cheekbone and really focus it on the temples and bringing it up above the eyebrow. And once I did this contour, I was looking at myself and realizing how lifted my face looked, how much better I liked the contour in those placements. I was still placing it, you know, coming down on my cheekbone, but I had never really focused on applying so much bronzer so high up on top of my cheekbone and so much on my temples. And you guys will see at the end when the look is all complete how well it comes together. I also decided to really chisel out my jawline because her jawline is just like perfection. And I'm cleaning up my contour, but making sure I wipe that off right away because, like I said, her contour is very well blended. It doesn't have like that cut harsh line. It's just very blended. So I wanted to mimic that as much as possible. So the nose was the part where I was very nervous because I don't ever contour my nose. I have a very crooked nose. If you guys pay close attention, my nose goes sideways. I was just following how she had her nose contoured. Her nose was very, very contoured, as you can tell in the picture. She pretty much had every aspect of her nose contoured. So I went on the sides of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and that's kind of what I ended up with. I do think it changed my shape a little bit. I did the best I could, so I don't think it ended up coming out too bad. So now moving on to the eyes, she has a cut crease, and I decided to just shape it out first so I can get the shape, and then from there I just wanted to go in with a lighter brown eyeshadow and blend that out. I did have a little bit of bronzer on my eyelids from when I was blending like the bronzer out and stuff, that I just, when I was blending the bronzer out from my nose, I dragged it into my eyelid. So now I'm going in with a clean brush first and blending that out. Then I went in with a very light brown to just help that color blend out even better. Using some concealer, I went ahead and cleaned up that cut crease shape because her cut crease is more like a cut crease eyeliner. So that's what I was trying to do. I was just trying to make it, you know, really sharp and defined, just like hers, because she had like white on her lid. So in order to do that, I had to do this part just so I can add a lot of that definition back into the eye. Then I went in with the cream color and pretty much just set all the areas where I had applied that concealer, just making it look very bright and setting it to make sure that it doesn't crease. I also went back in with some of that brown and blended that crease even more. She does have eyeliner just on her lid. It's not winged out, so I decided to add that touch. I couldn't tell if she had any eyeshadow under her lid, but I decided to add like the lightest brown I could find. And then using my eyeliner, I went ahead and added some little fake lashes because she definitely had lower lashes on, but I don't have any, so I just did that. She also has this tiny little mole that was kind of covered up for this shoot, but it was still kind of there, so I decided to just try and mimic that. For her lips, I definitely did an extreme overline that looks very obvious, but for pictures it looked very well. Her lip is very pouty. My lip is not like that at all, so I felt like it was definitely necessary to do that. I also popped on some really natural lashes. Topped it off with a lighter lipstick. This is a Kylie lipstick. And yeah, now back to the hair tutorial.
Alright, so I wanted to do this part talk through just because this probably won't take as long as the makeup. So she has her hair up in a half ponytail, and then the ponytail is like super teased in volume, so it leads me to believe that she has some extra hair in her hair, because unless she has like a lot of hair, but it seems like she has some extra hair right there on her ponytail. So for today, I'm going to be using the Irresistible Me hair extensions, and I just want to thank them really quick for sending this to me. They couldn't have came in a more perfect time. This is what the box looks like that they come in. This is like the little packaging it comes in. I already opened mine and tried them on and stuff, so they're not in the packaging. It comes with a little piece of hair that you can like test to see if it matches your hair before you open them, because there's like a little seal, and once you break the seal you can't return them. But it also came with extra clips. This actually dyed my hair, but I dyed it a chocolate brown, so you guys know how it is when you first dye your hair brown. It's always a little dark and then it fades out, but they still match pretty good, and I know once my hair fades out they're gonna be perfect. And I got 24 inches, and they are clip-in extensions, and that is what it looks like. Really easy to clip. This big one that has 4 clips on it, and it is like so thick. So this is the one I'm going to be using today. I'll probably put some of the other ones in my hair, but this is the star of the show. It is just so nice and thick. I'm going to be putting it right here so that I can put it up with my hair. This is going to add so much more hair and volume to my ponytail so that I can tease and I can make it nice and big just like her hair. The first thing I want to do is just pretty much go ahead and put the extension on my head. So since I'm going to be doing a ponytail like this, I can have it like right here at the top of my head. This hair is going to cover it. I don't want to put it too close to where the ponytail is actually going to be at, or else I feel like it's going to pull on it. So you want to place it where it's just being pulled it back this way. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my extension. And these clips feel really, really secure. If you guys don't know, I used to wear extensions all the time. In high school and after high school. I love extensions. I know good ones when I see them because I've gotten a lot of different extensions throughout the years. I just hadn't used them in a really long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip that down right here like that. So now I have all this hair to cover that. I'm gonna take out like that much for the little side swoop. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a little bit more hair just so that it's not completely pulling on the extensions. So there we go. And she has her hair slicked back very nicely, so I'm gonna apply some hairspray. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this up, and look at how much hair I have now because of the extensions. It helped me so much. I cannot find the brush I'm looking for, so I'm gonna do it with this one, but I'm just gonna like make sure this is brushed like really good like hers. I'm gonna hold it down right here and brush it up so I can get that little twist that she has. Alright, there we go. Alright, so next step is to tease the hair. So we're gonna start at the bottom. Oh my god, I have so much hair in my ponytail. I never have this much. So cool. And I'm not gonna curl the ends until I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and add hairspray, and the way you want to tease is coming down. And just take your time teasing it, because we're only going to tease like 2 layers because we want to make sure that the tease is really covered. So here you just want to really take your time teasing the hair. I used to tease my hair in high school, so thankfully I have experience in teasing your hair. I mean, I hate looking back at the pictures, but at least now I know how to tease my hair really good. And just keep going, because the tease will also go down a little bit. And you want to get it nice and even, so make sure you're teasing all around. This is the side I'm going to be taking pictures on, so I feel like this side is so important for me to get it super teased. Alright, so I'm going to do one more layer of teasing. Hairspray it. We're going to tease. And this is the extensions right here, so let's see how well they tease. Oh, they tease really good, you guys. Oh my god. Could already see it. Go back and re-tease everything you already did. Trust me. This is how we get long-lasting teased hair. The reason why it's so amazing to have extensions in my hair right now is because the hair is long, so it's going to cover all of that teased hair really well. The key to getting your tease nice and covered so it's not showing is, so you're going to take the top layer, and what you're going to do is you're going to apply hairspray to the bottom of it, and you're going to tease just the bottom. And this is pretty much going to like help the hair stick to this. And then you release it. Oh my god, it looks so good! I'm gonna see how these extensions just I couldn't have done this with just my hair. I don't think I could have. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and add some hairspray to this, because the volume is beautiful. It is gorgeous. The other thing I feel like I can do, if you really want volume, is take a clip at the bottom of the ponytail and just like clip it upwards. And look at that. I'm gonna put that at the very end just because it doesn't feel that comfortable, but I'm definitely gonna need that for pictures. should have done this before. I didn't think I was gonna need more at the bottom, but I'm gonna clip this up. And I am going to put the one that is 2 clips. I'm gonna put that at the very bottom. Just gonna go ahead and add some volume. I'm clipping it to the very root of my hair. So right at the root, I'm gonna clip the extension. So I'm gonna put that right where the ponytail ends. Hopefully you can't see it because of all the hair. Alright, so I went ahead and added all that hair. So I'm not gonna do like anything too crazy. I'm literally just gonna go over it for a tiny bit so I can get some curl, because her hair is not super curled. It's just like has a little bit of a wave to it. The flower earrings she has, but I do have these flower earrings which don't match, or I can do gold, which she was wearing similar to this in the music video. I'm gonna go change into my outfit and we'll see how I did. Alright you guys, I am officially done. Look at how long that hair is. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform myself into Ariana Grande. I don't think I look like her. I have had some people tell me like I resemble her, but I don't really think so. But with this look, I can see it like a tiny bit. But it's literally, I like try to shape my nose, I shape my eyebrows. Which I still don't know how I'm gonna do with all that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!